Did you know you can now switch between different illustration styles in Simple Show Video Maker with a single click? In this video, I'll show you just how simple it is. I created a video a while back using the clean style. The content is still relevant, but I want to give it a fresh, modern update with the sharp style. All I have to do is click on the three dots, select Switch Style, and choose the style I want. The best part? Any combination works. For example, I could convert a sharp style video into a classic style one, or vice versa. For this example, I'll select sharp. Simple Show automatically creates a copy of your video so your original version stays safe and untouched. What's really cool is that your account colors are instantly applied to the new style. Plus, your characters and backgrounds remain consistent, just refreshed with a new look. This feature is a game changer for breathing new life into older videos or switching styles on the fly after creating a project. Give it a try now in Simple Show Video Maker and see how easy it is to refresh your videos.